Welcome to CodeCraft. I'm Harman Sehgal, and today we'll explore Java operators, from arithmetic to logical and more. Let's dive in and master these crucial concepts. Introduction to Java operators. In this presentation, we will explore Java operators, their types, functions, and practical examples. Understanding operators is crucial for effective programming in Java, as they enable you to perform various operations on variables and values. What are Java operators? Java operators are special symbols that perform operations on 1, 2, or 3 operands. They are essential for manipulating data and variables, allowing developers to create complex expressions and algorithms in their programs. Types of Java operators. Java operators can be categorized into several types: arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise, assignment, and unary. Each type serves a specific purpose and is used in different contexts within Java programming. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These operators are fundamental in calculations and can be applied to numeric data types. Relational operators. Relational operators compare two values and return a Boolean result. They include equal to, not equal to, greater than, and less than. These operators are essential for control flow statements in Java. Logical operators. Logical operators, including and, or, and not, are used to combine multiple Boolean expressions. They play a crucial role in decision-making processes within Java programs, allowing for complex conditional statements. Bitwise operators. Bitwise operators perform operations on bits and are used for manipulating binary data. They include and, or, XOR, and not. These operators are particularly useful in low-level programming and performance optimization. Assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. The most common is the equal sign, equals, but there are also compound assignment operators like plusquals and midequals, which combine operations with assignment. Unary operators. Unary operators operate on a single operand. They include increment, plus plus, decrement, and negation, ni. These operators are useful for modifying values and performing quick calculation. Conclusion. In summary, understanding Java operators is vital for any Java developer. They facilitate various operations and enhance programming capabilities. Mastering these operators will significantly improve your coding efficiency and problem-solving skills. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video on Java operators helpful. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to CodeCraft for more Java tutorials. Your support helps me create more valuable content. Have questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks again, and happy coding.